Hi everybody, Professor D'Souza here with a quick tutorial about how to put on a virtual background in Zoom. So what I have in front of us is a Zoom window, and I am in participant mode. This is actually one of my classes. And if you notice down here in the lower left, these are controls that should be familiar with those of you who have used Zoom. Excuse me. You got the mute button down here, and then you have this stop video button. Now, stop video button is on because my video is currently on. But I'm going to turn my video off, and you'll see my profile picture shows up, and this icon is called Start Video. So that toggles on and off. You guys are hopefully used to that. And what we want to do is we want to click on the little arrow next to that icon. And here's where we want to choose Virtual Background. So the virtual background, if we open that up, we're given a series of, or a list of different icons that we can use to change our virtual background. So I can choose the Golden Gate Bridge, I can choose grass, I can choose space. These are three Zoom thumbnails or backgrounds that Zoom automatically loads into software. You can also do what I did and take a picture of a part of a wall in your home or in your office and make that your virtual background. Kind of make it virtual but make it look like an actual real background. You can also have nothing. So this is the background, this is the actual room that I'm in. You can see the background. And this is what I'm seeking to mask by having a virtual background. So whatever you're comfortable with, and I am open to any appropriate background, of course the Zoom backgrounds or any picture that you want to choose on your end. And basically just know that this is an option, and if you want to mask your background, this is how you do it. It's fairly quick, it's fairly easy. If you do have any issues with it, please definitely reach out to me directly so that I can assist you with it. We'll also be going over this on day 1 of class. So I wanted to give you the heads up before class began. I want to have your cameras on during class, but I also want you to give the option to mask your background if that's your choice. Okay? We'll talk more Wednesday, and I look forward to having you all in class this semester. Thank you.